guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be doing yet another Whatnot mystery box unboxing. As you see, this is my third one of the channel. Again, these have been won by my dad. This big box right here, it's not that big, but big-ish box is from the Hustle Bee. And this small bag is from Hustler Hacks. As you've seen, I've mentioned him in the channel before. So again, I will be linking their Instagrams down below on the channel of their channel. So I'm gonna start off with the bag and we'll get to the big one. I still don't have a knife. I don't think I'll need the knife that much. I'm just gonna make a quick pull. And here it is. Again, I don't know if any of these t-shirts will fit me or what the deal is. So they're gonna be quick. Again, this is Whatnot unboxing, and it's another note from Glenn. It says, "Rodolfo, you are the best. Thank you. And these teas are my fave. Enjoy." So kind of ruined it, I know, but shout out to Glenn for the note. That honestly, it means a lot, because like you get that buyer seller like chemistry. This actually got it from Hustler Hacks. Here I believe it's just 2 t-shirts. This is a size large, so not my size. This is a JDI size large, all over print tee. This kind of gives me like Space Jam vibes. It's really nice. Again, not my size, but it does give me like Space Jam vibes. The next tee, again, not my size, so I need to talk to my dad about that. I'm just playing. This one is an XL. It's blank. I'm just playing. It's another Nike tee, size XL. This one's nice. Like the summer's coming up, so as you see, got an iguana, I think. It looks like an iguana, like an albino iguana, surfing on his, it's not surfing, jet skiing. For those 2000 babies, jet skiing, DJ Khaled, y'all know. He also has like wannabe pit vipers, so all the taquachos out there are probably gonna like this t-shirt. And I'm pretty sure that those waves are from South Padre Island. Like, I'm just positive. But this is a really nice summer tee. So sadly it's not my size, but we'll be getting into this box right here. This one has a little bit more stuff. This one has 1, 2, 3 bags in here, and we got a note from Ken, the Hustler Bee. "Hi Rodolfo, we wanted to apologize for the shipping. We made a mistake and accidentally charged." Here's just talking about the shipping. Honestly, I don't know how long it took. It's pretty good, but again, oh, see, thank you, the Hustle Bee. This is nice. Oh, it's not a sticker. If it was a sticker, I would have put it on my wall. But this feels pretty cool. Steeler vibes, you know. So, let's get right into it. I'm gonna skip that one because I don't like those teams. So, can't see what team this is. It's the goddamn Bucks again. It's not that I don't like the teams. It's just that like they're winning, the Lakers are not. So. Here we have a size large Milwaukee's Buck Championship, I believe. It's from the 2021 season. It's pretty nice, like, but it is the Bucks. Like, if you'd like the Bucks in the recent years, you're probably a bandwagoner just because of Giannis. Like, no offense, right? But like, stay true to your team. Here we have yet another Bucks size large 2-time championship shirt. This one's a little bit nicer. Like, I feel like you can see the graphic more. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of it just because I believe there's a Dunks that just came out in this color with the aging midsole. Like they look pretty fire with this. For those of people who like Dunks and pretend you like the Bucks. And oh, this is women's. So I'm just gonna rip the bag because we have a women's Super Bowl 50 something champions, Tampa Bay Bucks. I had a blonde moment. Sorry. This is the last item in the box, but this is actually a really nice cap. It's so small. It's like I know, I understand it's women's, but like I know it's tiny. Like I have a big ass head. So yeah, I will be linking down my dad's eBay store, Browntown Finds, in the description down below if you want to browse anything. And if you do buy anything from that link, message him and tell him that I sent you. Maybe he'll buy me dinner or something. If you hear the lawnmower in the background, that's probably him. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. My favorite item was the Southpaw Dryland Jade Skiing Iguana right here. Again, thank you guys for watching. I will be having more content and try to be more diverse. If you have any whatnot people for me to follow or for me to shop from, link them down below. And again, thank you Glenn, thank you Hustlebee for always having good merch, and stay blessed.